Welcome to my wardrobe video. So today I'm going to be making a start on decluttering, organizing, and moving my wardrobe to the new house. I do have to go to uni today, so I only have a small amount of time to grab a few things, and then tomorrow I'm gonna come in and do like the big full declutter and clean. This is currently what my bedroom floor looks like. So I've brought my 2 suitcases over, and I think I'm gonna take all of my dirty washing back, which I know sounds weird, but I haven't washed for like a week because I've been so busy moving. This pile is clean, this pile is dirty, and this pile is dirty, and I'm gonna do a load of washing tonight. I feel like the majority of my clothes are actually dirty, so this is probably the best thing to do. I'm gonna put my light ones in one side and the dark ones in the other. I'm not really sure what to put in this little case. I might put this pile of clean clothes just here into it. I'm also gonna fold my paper bag up because I'm gonna take this, and this can be my laundry bag in the new place as well. I've decided to stick a few coat hangers in the middle of this suitcase just in case I want to hang anything up, because I do have a coat over at the house already and there's a jacket in here. I think for today that's pretty much it. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back and actually do a proper sort through all the clothes, decide what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna donate. And it's the next morning, and last night I did so much clothes washing. I actually managed to do all of it, so I have lots of clean clothes, and I've decided I'm gonna start with my shoes first today. So this is the start of my pile so far. So these ones are quite yuck and I'm going to throw those out. I'd like to get some new slippers. I've had these for 2 years and they're pretty dirty. This is my donate pile here in the middle, and then this is my keep pile. So I'm just gonna keep adding to each one of these. Doing a little check-in, I still only have 2 pairs of shoes that I'm actually throwing out. These 4 here are going to be donated because I just never wear them. This is the I don't know pile that I have to think about, and then this is the pile of all the ones that I'm definitely going to keep. These 2 shoes here, the blue and the green, are my absolute favorite shoes. They're from Ruby Shoes. They're the most comfortable heels. Gonna keep working through it. I've done all the shelves. I just have to do whatever's in the boxes and whatever fell behind the shelves. I'm pretty sure this is every pair of shoes that I own. When you have them all laid out on the floor like this, it looks like so many. This is my definite pile. To this, I've added my thigh-high boots. I've also added my Ugg boots, and then these boots that are really great to wear at the snow. So this here is my maybe pile, and I put these in here because I just don't know if I like the style of these. Next winter, I would love to get some more ankle boots and some new styles, but do you know what? I might just keep them, and then next winter I can decide, because we're now in spring here, so I can decide later. These boots too, I bought them. They're beautiful brown suede boots, like thigh-high ones, but they're so brown and they're just not a color that I feel like I wore a lot this winter. I wanted them to be a little less orange. You can see the difference between a nude, this orange brown, and then this brown over here. What else do we have? I have these red shoes that the first night I wore them absolutely destroyed my feet. I haven't worn them since February, so I don't know that I should keep them. I honestly think the easiest way to carry these shoes over to the new place would probably just be putting them in a garbage bag and saving my suitcases for my actual clothes. These 3 shelves are from Kmart, and this is what I've been storing my shoes on for the last 2.5 years. And it's not very practical, but it does look good. You can fit 2 heels to one shelf and then 3 flats to the other. I'm about to give them a wipe down because they need to be cleaned. I've brought my suitcases in so I can start packing up the rest of my wardrobe. I think I might just start with the hanging section. I'm going to leave the accessories up here for now. I might just start with the jackets and the jumpers and the things that I actually really like. I actually only have 3 jackets from this entire section that I 100% love. Everything else I'm not really sure about. I haven't worn things in ages. Honestly, right now, my wardrobe is the biggest clash of items. There's nothing here that really works well together, and we're going into the new season where it's gonna start to get warmer, and I don't really have a lot of warm clothes. Nothing really makes sense to me, and all I ever reach for are jeans and a t-shirt. So I need to kind of work out what's going and what's staying, but this is so much harder than I thought. I've completely changed my mind. I'm going to leave this jacket here. That I just reminded myself that I only wanted to take stuff that I absolutely loved to the new house, and I don't love this, so I'm actually gonna leave this here and donate it. The next thing that I'm going to leave here is my Ted Baker cape. It's not something that I've worn in years. I have this plain stretchy dress from Kukai that I've honestly never worn. Then I have these two blouses. I've had this gorgeous spotty one that I've actually barely worn or not worn at all. And then I have this white one. I did wreck it just a little bit with the zip of a skirt, but it's still wearable. I'm starting to create a pretty serious mess in here. I think I'm gonna keep my dressing gown because it's cozy and it's nice, except I don't even know where the tie is. I've put all of my scarves into a pile because I'm actually going to put them into the back of my wardrobe because I won't need them till next season. Oh, this is a little jar of bits and pieces where I have spare buttons and accessories to all of my clothes and shoes. This is a really cute grey and white basket from Kmart. It's my accessory basket. I have my tiger's beanie, I have headscarves, and then I have a couple of other beanies. My mum made me these ones actually. She's on a whole knitting thing at the moment. I have a couple of hats as well. More head pieces. Oh hey, safety pins. These are useful. I'm definitely getting rid of these ones. These can all be donated, but I'm going to keep my hat and that can go in the top of the wardrobe in the new place as well. My wardrobe's pretty much empty, but my whole room is just full of stuff now. I'm now looking at going through all of the tops that I own and I am in a mood to throw stuff out. Snack break. I needed food so badly. I got 2 little Vietnamese little buns and then also a little steamed pork bun. But wait, there's more. It's mostly bottoms. I'm starting to think that I can actually start to put some of this into a suitcase. And I think I'll start by putting some of my shoes into the little suitcase. I've created a little costume pile because I actually like having a costume box. I know it's really not necessary, but it kind of falls into my DIY stuff, which I just love. I have a bag to put all of these clothes in. I actually found a box. Yes, a whole box actually. Oh no, the rip in the knee is too big. I don't like it. Is it repairable though? I think I could stitch that back up. I wanted to buy a new pair of these jeans, but I'm actually looking at this rip and I can probably just stitch that rip back up and then keep wearing these jeans that I got from Cotton On a million years ago. I'm keeping them. But I found this box of stuff, like feathers, okay. I found this box of stuff in my cupboard and I was like, I'm surprised that I even have a box of stuff in here that should be donated. It's going into a bag to go to Vinnie's or the Salvos or whatever else there is out there. I decided to transfer everything into the one big garbage bag because it was just the easiest way. Tie everything off and then hand it into Savers, which is where I donated everything last time because it's right near the university, so it's easy for me to get there. And I'm also going to get rid of some of my home decor stuff as well. Okay, let's go. I've finally got everything up here, so now I can start putting stuff into my wardrobe. I can't believe this wardrobe is actually big enough to fit 3 shelves on one side. That's amazing. So I'm gonna put all my shoes in here. Oh no, there's so much sand. So if I put my sandals together, then I can fit 3 across the little row, which is great. Here's my little shoe collection. I feel like I could color code this a little bit better, but just behind these shelves, look at this. There is so much room. I'm gonna be able to store all of those boxes and even hang more stuff. This is gonna be great. And now thanks to all my shoes fitting in the shelves, I have an empty box. I guess I could probably store some of my winter sweaters or winter clothes in here. Here is my accessories bin, also from Kmart. Put this up here too. Oh, it looks so neat. Oh, how exciting. I have so much storage. There's even space behind those boxes to fit more stuff if I needed. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's hang some stuff up. I am actually having the best time doing this because I didn't realize there was so much room in this wardrobe. I've run out of coat hangers to hang everything up, so I will need to fold some stuff. I'm thinking about getting some clip hangers as well so I can hang some of the bottoms. I decided to go back and get some more coat hangers, and then I got all of the dresses I had up in the top wardrobe and put them downstairs in the bottom wardrobe, and then just brought a couple over here with me. This is where we're up to. I have these two storage bins from Kmart. One is actually empty, and I have another storage bin from Kmart that's slightly different, and I think I would like to get a second one just to put next to it, and I will put bags in it because I haven't done handbags yet. Honestly, it's been about a week between the last lot of footage and this footage, and my handbags are still sitting here at the door of my bedroom because I have nowhere to put them. I think I'll put some handbags up in that top shelf. Then under that, I have this small section, and I have hung all of my tops here, which I think is great. And then I also have my umbrella, and then under that I have my 3 bookshelves with all of my shoes. I have also put a little handbag. This is my new one that I got while I was in Italy, and then also a box with accessories that really needs to be sorted. And then, as I said, I have this huge gap down behind, and I've actually got my 2 suitcases down there because I wanted more shelves in the front cupboard, and you can't even see it. It's great. You don't even know that there is a suitcase hidden in there. I also have some of my boots, my wintry boots and things, which I'm thinking I should put up in one of those boxes because one of those boxes is empty and it would totally fit. In the other side, I have nothing on the top shelf. I then have a pathetic amount of clothes hanging, and then the rest of my clothes are down the bottom here in storage boxes and all folded up because I have nowhere to put them. I'm not sure what I should put on this side. I do have that little DIY set of drawers, but I really wanted to put them over there in the corner because I think it would be really nice to bring a little piece of furniture here. There's enough room for it. It would be a bright color. I think it would be nice. I'm not sure if I would put anything at the bottom of this wardrobe. I might leave my video here. I will keep you guys updated on how I end up finishing everything up. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed my wardrobe organization. I've enjoyed doing it. It was so much fun putting everything together. Up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.